If you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in the game are configured correctly. Go to the Options menu, navigate to Audio Settings, and make sure that voice chat is enabled and the correct input/output devices are selected. Step 2. Verify microphone permissions. Check your operating system's privacy settings to ensure that Baldur's Gate 3 has permission to access your microphone. On Windows, go to Settings Privacy Microphone and make sure the game is allowed to use it. Step 3. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Visit your computer manufacturer's website or use the driver update tool to ensure your audio drivers are up to date. Step 4. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and then relaunch it to see if the voice chat starts working. Step 5. Check network connection. A stable internet connection is essential for voice chat to function properly. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and that there are no issues with your network that could be affecting voice communication. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with voice chat in Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support for further assistance.